from the simplest spongy to the mighty mammals. Welcome to the amazing journey through animal kingdom. There are lots of animals around us and we divide all the animals in mainly two parts. One is vertebrates and one is invertebrates. What is the features? How can we divide it? Invertebrates. The animals which have no backbone is called invertebrates. Like a sponge, hydras, this one. And vertebrates which have the backbone, strong backbones, it is called vertebrates. Like a man, a dog, elephant, this one. There are invertebrates, there are 8 phylums. But today I discuss only 2 phylums. One is Porifera. First one is Porifera. First I draw the picture. This is the sponge. This is a picture of the sponge. It is the first animals, means first phylum. It is multicellulars, but simplest multicellular animals. It has no tissues, no organisms. Then what is this one? Look, there is a big hole, porifera. Pori means pore. This porifera comes from the word pores. And there is big hollows, these big pores. It is called osculum. And these animals have lots of small pores. It is called ostia. But look, there is a fixed point. Means all the animal join in one places. But in the ground, in the bottom part of the marine, they are in general they are marine. Some are in the fresh water. But bottom they can't move. They are fixed in one place. They can't move. And there are lots of hollow places, and there the canal system is present. What is the canal system? They take the food, everything from this part, and the food, oxygens and waste things, everything go in the system. This is inside the system, canal system. They comes inside and go outside. And the 2 layers is present in this porifera. It's ectoderm and it is endoderm. The example of this porifera is sponge. Okay, clear? Then I go to the next phylum. This is called hydra. This is called hydra. The phylum is Coelenterata. What is the meaning of Coelenterata? Why we call this one? In the Coelenterata means there is a sac-like structure inside the body. Inside the body, this is hollow places. It helps in digestion. It is called, for that reason we tell this animal is Coelenterata. Then we discuss what is the other features. They are masked Generally, they are marine. Some species are in the fresh water, and there are tissues is present, but organ is no, or there are no organ. Organism is absent and organ is also absent. Next one, in there is only one hollow start on the hollow. This is as in the mouth. It is like a mouth, and they take the foods and they clear their waste from this part. There is so many tentacles in the at the part of the mouth, and through these tentacles they catch the food and put inside the hollow places. And one more thing, in general, asexual and sexual reproduction is we can see in here. And there is one more thing. Look, there is a small hydra. It is like a budding process. A small hydra is prepared from the big hydra by mother hydra, and what is totally prepared, it's separated, and then it developed another big hydra. It is called the Coelenterata families. It is the main function of this one. Thank you. If you like my video, please subscribe it.